2026 on the CES, and I'm super excited that we make a first video together with Shawn. And yeah, Shawn, please tell us more about the technology you provide.
Yeah, we're so excited to be here with faytech. This is our newest hololuminescent display from Looking Glass. And we're known in the world of 3D for making the most best-selling three-dimensional systems that groups of people can experience and use together. This is our newest version of the technology called the HLD or Hololuminescent Display. It's the first 3D system of any kind that has uncut, pure 4K resolution that can deploy the same experience you get in the hologram boxes, but in a very thin form factor. So I can show you here, it's under an inch thick, creating a holographic environment around all types of content, whether it's a product or holographic advertisement, people, as well as AI characters. Anything that you would show in a digital signage context, the HLDs are really the best system to deliver a spatially present version of that content. They're fully interactive
when I move my head around, I can see the background is moving with my head, right?
That's right.
And what happens to the foreground?
So it's a combination of 2D content and holographic technology. So it's creating a holographic box that you can see like in the group of people, just like you would see a real physical box. And then within that box, there's this product, people, and character content. Like you can see this watch. It should look on this video and in person like there's a real watch here behind me in an alcove in a box.
And it's great for social media. People film the screen. It's just going to be full quality.
It's the first 3D system of any kind that looks great in person and also looks great on social media.
Nice.
Hopefully. You guys will be the judge.
It doesn't matter if you have one eye or two eyes, it looks great.
That's right.
And you've been working with light fields also.
Yeah.
And what is all the stuff you've been doing the last few years?
Yeah, so we're the leader in light field technology, which is a group viewable three-dimensional technology. We've applied that now to this new system of the hololuminescent displays for the digital signage market. So this uses our light field technology that we built over the last 10 years. And
it's ready for mass production here with faytech?
Yeah, rolling out mass production with faytech. We have two sizes that are SKUs that people can buy immediately, the 16-inch and the 27-inch HLD, but for custom inquiries, faytech are the folks that you guys should contact.
Yeah, so for sure, we're super happy to have him as technology partner. And I say it simplified, you have in the back this huge gigantic box, and that's it.
How about the back? Sorry,
so we have in the box this huge gigantic box, and this is, you put this into a super slim display with this technology, and we are really excited to partner. And yeah.
Can it be different sizes?
Yes.
So what's the maximum size you can go?
So we've made systems that go up to 86-inch. Again, for anything other than the standard, currently shipping 16 and 27, we're working with faytech to bring those different SKUs to market.
And so if a customer wants it, how long time? It can be like huge quantities.
No, for sure, just go ordering. So this one retails for roughly $1,500. The large one for $3,000, and for sure that gives you what he said, the most beautiful product presentation you can have right now.
How would it be maybe for product kiosks like in fast food restaurants? Could it be a cool product for that?
It would be amazing, yeah. So we've done some demos with touchscreen integrated, which is an option that folks can contact our partners at faytech about, and you can have beautiful looking touchscreen UI and interaction, and then a hamburger appears in 3D holographically.
It comes right there.
That's right. It actually looks really great.
It can look extra delicious.
Extra delicious.
Like extra you want to get it, for sure.
You will buy more hamburgers, for sure.
Nice. And what would be cool, so I've seen you done some amazingly awesome demos with AI chatbots and stuff like that. How did you get those made? Were you using like DeepSeek or were you using a ChatGPT? What were you doing?
So we actually made the very first three-dimensional chatbot a couple years ago. It was called Lightforms. And we deployed that as something that people could use, so it wasn't only a demo. And nowadays we're working with partners that are making different implementations of chatbots that deploy through hardware like this.
Because that's a perfect mix, no?
Oh yeah, totally.
If you get a great chatbot, efficient chatbot,
100%. For people, characters, and products, this is the best way to show them in the world.
And what I thought was coolest about your chatbot, it was like a rabbit that was a little bit insulting people.
Yeah, it was
It was cool, so cool.
His name was Uncle Rabbit.
It was like this guy was like it was like a little bit like Grok unhinged, but before it existed.
Yeah, this was in the early days of ChatGPT.
That
We built it. Yeah, we built it. The ChatGPT was the back end, and back then they didn't have as many constraints.
Censorship.
So it was a lot more fun.
So that would be an awesome mix, because I want to go up to the McDonald's ordering machine, and there's like a little rabbit or something that says, "What do you want? What do you want? Do you want chicken nuggets? What do you want?" You know, like, and
Well,
just like, yeah, I want.
there's a
And
lot
then
of
it adds it
partners
to
that
your
we're
shopping
working
cart.
with where they're deploying those types of applications now for enterprise type of systems like that.
And maybe if there's a way to partner with the companies that can help implement the best chatbots and stuff, you know, like the partnership to get it done.
It's coming. Yeah.
We have later some news about Napster, and for sure you see it. We have Human Beam, so we have a lot of AI chatbots on our booth, and we believe also that this is a future, and everybody is excited to hop on his products. Yeah.
And the smaller one, what's the target market with the smaller one, for example?
This is like a taster. So it's great for in-store experiences if you want to have an end cap where you have a product. This is the size of a shoe. And so you can have an infinite sort of catalog of products. We have this here powered by an iPad just to show it can run off of various types of different compute, but this could have touchscreen as well built into it. And so the smaller one is both a taster and something that you can use in store as an interactive end cap.
What's the brightness and viewing angles and sharpness and all that stuff?
Yeah, so the brightness is around 500 to 600 nits. So great, actually, for any type of environment like this. For specialty inquiries where folks need something that's even brighter for an outdoor environment or like a near window environment, faytech has the ability to build that.
And if you do the touch, you can have a great touch that doesn't have fingerprint smudges and stuff.
Yeah, sure. We get this.
These guys know how to do touch.
We know.
This is their jam. Yeah.
All right, that's great. Thanks.
Yeah, thanks a lot.